Good morning and Assalamu alaikum. This is me, your teacher, Miss Samreen Haroon. I hope you all are fine. Children, today we are going to write the question answer. Good manner is the part of faith. So, I'm going to tell you how to write these questions in your copy. So, please take out your copy. I'm going to show you the copy at the beginning. Okay, this is a pointer folder page, pointer folder. Okay, now this is the first term syllabus. Okay, right. Okay, now today you have to write the question answer. So before writing the question answer, first you have to make the title page. Okay, first you have to make the title page on the copy. So the title page is will be right in the large letter. मतलब थोड़ा सा बड़ा होना चाहिए ताकि बड़े बड़े अल्फाज में होना चाहिए ताकि आपकी हेडिंग आपका एक पेज लिटिल खूबसूरत लगे. आप चाहो तो यू कैन डेकोरेट दिस पेज. Okay, after making the title page, you have to write the question answer. So before starting the question answer, first you have to mention the date, and today is 12th August 2020. Okay, and day is Thursday. Today is Thursday, and write the heading with use the color blue pencil. Question and answers. The question number one is, what must we say before meal? What must we say before meal? हमें खाने से पहले क्या कहना चाहिए, क्या बोलना चाहिए? The answer is, we must say Bismillah. We must say Bismillah. हमें खाना खाने से पहले बिस्मिल्लाह पढ़नी चाहिए. The question number 2 is, which hand must we use to eat? Which hand must we use to eat? कौन सा है हाथ हमें खाना खाने के लिए लाजमी इस्तेमाल करना चाहिए, या खाना खाने के लिए कौन सा हाथ यूज़ करना चाहिए? ठीक है, आई नो यू नो द आंसर. The answer is right hand. Okay, the answer is right hand. So my dear children, today you have to write the question 1 and 2 of chapter The Good Manners is the Part of Faith. So today you have to do these questions, and inshallah we will meet on the next video.